Yeah, here the problem is from sections of solids given square pyramid. It is lying on HP on its base. So in horizontal plane draw square. In horizontal plane draw square. So in horizontal plane all of you draw square, and here it is pyramid. So you will get a triangle and a square. You will get a triangle and a square. All of you draw the square and triangle. Yeah, see here I have drawn square in horizontal plane because lying on HP and a triangle above. Okay, now first part is completed. Now section plane part. Section plane part means we are cutting this solid. How we are cutting? See here, a section plane parallel to HP and cuts the pyramid. Cuts the pyramid means cuts the triangle at a distance of 30 mm from apex. Apex means this is the apex O dash, 30 mm below. So at this point from apex 30 mm. Now section plane is parallel. So draw a parallel section cutting plane line. You know how to draw the section cutting plane line. This is chain thin line with the end dashes dark. This is central axis, but end dashes are dark, then it will become section line. So, and highlight the points where it is cutting the triangle. Here it is cutting, here it is cutting. So indicate points. Here how many points? 2 points. So you have to indicate this point as P dash and Q dash. Here how many points? Here on this line 2 points are there. So here also you have to indicate with R dash, S dash. 2 points you have to indicate. So after removing above portion, the remaining portion is this one. The remaining portion is this one. So this is the remaining portion. So remaining portion you have to dark. This is the final front view. After removing this above portion, this will be the final front view. And to get the final top view, through this PQ, draw a projection downward, and from RS draw one more projection downward. Okay, now P point, Q point are on OA, OB, OA, OD. So one point is on OA, one point is on OD. Where we have OA here, this is OA. If you draw the projection on OA, here we are getting intersecting point. Also on the same line we have Q. Q point is on OD. So where we have OD, this is OD. So here you will get a point Q. So this I am point indicating as P2. This point I am indicating as Q. Okay, PQ, enough. This is P, this is Q, this is P dash, this is Q dash. Okay. Now RS on OC and OB. So on OB one point I am indicating, on OC one more point I am indicating. So here you can indicate this point as R, this point as S, and join this PQRS. Join this PQRS. Simply to get the top view, draw the projections. That's all. Draw the projections and dark the remaining portion. This is the remaining portion. Base and the small square are the remaining portion. So the remaining portion must be dark. The remaining portion is dark. The central portion is removed. Okay, we removed the central portion, and we have to do hatching with the light lines. Hatching we have to do with the light lines. So this hatching you have to do with the scale, and the distance between lines must be equal. The distance, the gap between the lines must be equal. Okay, like this we have to draw the section view. We have to show like this. So this is the this is the sectional top view. This is the sectional front view. Okay, this is the solution. Very simple problem.